Are you not able to play your video as video playback is choppy, jittery or flickering? Video appears blurry, had distorted visuals or does not open up at all? Well, this could be because your video may have got corrupted, and the reason could be data transfer, editing, converting or processing. Well, first, being a content creator and working on different types of data, I faced this situation many times where my photos, videos, audio or documents get corrupted, but then I fix them in simply few minutes, and that's exactly what I'm going to share with you all in this video. Simply watch the video full and follow the steps by downloading application from the links in description and pin comment to fix corrupted video files in minutes. Hey folks, myself Cliff from WM Originals back with another video, and today I wanna show you all how to repair corrupted video files on Windows PC in minutes. First, using the same method, you can not only repair corrupted video files but can also repair corrupted photos, audio files and documents like Word, Excel, PDF and many more. So without wasting much time, let's get started to know how to fix corrupted video files on Windows 10, and for this we will be using best repair tool, and that is Easeus Fixo. Easeus Fixo can repair corrupted or unplayable videos, photos and files regardless of the level of damage. It is an all-in-one file repair toolkit that offers video repair which can repair any corrupted or unplayable video. It also offers photo repair that helps to repair corrupted photos from any device like USB flash drives, memory sticks, SD cards, digital camera and mobile phones. It also offers file repair that can fix the corrupted Office documents including PDF, Word, Excel and PowerPoint files. The best part, all this can be done in 3 simple steps. Wow, that's simply insane. Let's give it a try, and for that simply follow the links in description and pin comment to visit Easeus Fixo official website. Now click on free trial. It starts downloading. Once Easeus Fixo free download completes, click on it to start with installation process. Follow the steps to complete installation, and once installation gets completed, here we have Easeus Fixo with all its features and capabilities. We can use it to repair videos, photos and documents. Now let me show you all how to fix corrupted video with an example. Here I have a video which got corrupted when I tried to transfer data from pen drive to PC. See, it shows can't play. Now we will try to repair unplayable video using Easeus Fixo, and for that here we are back on Easeus Fixo. Now click on add video to import corrupted video. Once imported, simply click repair. It starts repairing, and once done, here we have confirmation, quick repair successful. We can click on this to preview repaired video.
Your family has made your love life there.
See, the video is fully repaired with audio. First, you can also try advanced repair if quick repair does not work for you. Now to save video, simply click on save video. Now select a location to save video, select it desktop, it starts saving, and here is confirmation. Click view repaired. Now here we have our repaired video. Wow, that's fantastic work from Easeus Fixo. Same way you can also repair corrupted data like photos, videos and documents using Easeus Fixo. Now you may ask, is Easeus Fixo free to use? Well first, it's a paid software and you will require plans to use it. So now let's talk about Easeus Fixo pricing plans, and for that here we are back on official website. Now click on buy now. Here we have different pricing plans for Easeus Fixo. You can choose a plan as per your requirement. I will highly recommend you to try out Easeus Fixo if you are looking to repair corrupted data, and if you want to, find the links in description and pin comment. That's what I had for today. Hope you find this useful. If yes, don't forget to like this video. Also, share your views and feedback in comments. And if you are new to Double Originals, don't forget to subscribe for more useful content like this and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. And if you want to watch videos in Hindi, do subscribe to my channel Techie Akhil. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. Today I wanna show you all how to remove vocals from a song for free using Bash V Vocal Remove online. How to recover deleted files from Windows PC, that too which are permanently deleted.